Melody, are you ready to go to the Daylily farm?
Yes, sir, Daddy.
Oh, all of them is not plugged in if you go in that track. I've already got everything plugged in. All of them is not plugged in.
Janie, which one do you like?
This one up here.
Okay. Which one?
I just one.
Ma'am?
I said, just get one of every one.
I tell you, they're so pretty. This is your favorite one?
That's my favorite one.
This is so pretty right here. Oh, these are so pretty. This is a funny name. Space Coast Vampire Bite. Where angels trod. That's beautiful. Our spring song. It's just beautiful. Exotic Starbust.
Hey, Lily, I think your mom will like this one.
Yes, it's so beautiful. What's the name of it?
Space Coast Tiger Tail. Tango.
Wow. Here's another one I think she would like. Outrageous Fortune. It's just beautiful. Yoga Man. It's just beautiful. Mom would love this one. Circular circles. Yes, Norwegian Fantasy. It's beautiful. You found one with your name on it? Mm-hmm. William, my angel. It's nice.
And pots, they're all out there.
It's like pink and maybe a shade of yellow mixed with pink.
I cut them back.
She said she really liked the pink and purple.
What's the name of it?
Something, I don't know.
Stellar's Joy.
Stellar's Joy. No, Stellar's J. It's just never ending with all their daylilies.
Trying to find the name of it. Yeah.
What's the name of this one, Jana?
Buddy's Cold.
It sure is pretty.
That's a beautiful smile.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jackson. Clint, this is really nice out here.
Thank you. I'm glad that y'all came today. We welcome anybody to come out. If you would, call ahead if you come during the week. We have open house today, and then 2 weeks from today, the 25th, and June 8th as well.
Have a happy Mother's Day.
Thank you. Come back again.